In this video, we'll show you how to install and use the TentBox Lite and the Lite XL, our most compact models when closed, but spacious and comfy when open. So you can go from this to this. The Lite and Lite XL set up in exactly the same way, and we'll be using the Lite to demonstrate. We've split the video into clear sections, so if you're looking for something specific, you can jump straight to the part you need. First, let's unbox your TentBox. It will arrive like this from our two-person courier. Everything you need is inside the TentBox in the box, except roof bars, which are required for fitting your TentBox. If you don't have them yet, use our roof bar finder to get the right ones for your vehicle, or reach out to our friendly team for advice. Assembling the Lite and Lite XL is easy, and they both follow exactly the same process. Place your TentBox on a flat, stable surface, protecting the fixing rails underneath. Open it up to take out the accessories and fixing parts stored inside, including the ladder, travel cover, welcome kit, porch poles in their storage bag, LED bar light, and complete fixing kit for attaching to your roof bars. Then close it again, ready for assembly. Install the ladder by placing it over the brackets with the warning labels facing up, and drop it into place using the spring-loaded pins. Then, slide the pole bag into the channel next to the ladder. Before fitting the travel cover, make sure the fabric is tucked in all the way around. Once it's neat, tighten the straps and fasten the Velcro to hold everything in place. Now, take the travel cover and slide the beading into the base channel. Make sure each corner is fully in place, then zip it closed, fold the trim down and seal the Velcro. Tuck the pull cord into the corner piece, then tighten the straps to keep everything secure when you're on the move. Now it's time to install the TentBox. Lift it onto your roof bars, making sure it's centered and that your boot can open without touching it. Drop each of the 8 bolts from the fixing kit into the sliders, then slide them into the fixing rails underneath the TentBox. Position them so you have one bolt hanging down on either side of each roof bar at 4 different points. Next, attach the 4 U-clamps and tighten them to each of the connection points using the nuts and spanner provided. Tighten until you see a slight bend in the U-clamp, that's when you know it's secure. Once all 4 clamps are in place, pop the plastic caps into the ends of the rails. Finally, give the TentBox a firm shove in each direction to check there's no movement. Once it's solid, you're ready to go. Now your TentBox is installed, let's look at how to open it up. Start by undoing the straps on either side and unzipping the cover. Then, undo the 2 Velcro straps on the sides of the TentBox. To open the TentBox, extend the ladder all the way so it's fully locked down. Using it as leverage, pull down until the TentBox unfolds to a 90-degree angle. Then, guide the ladder down until the TentBox is fully open. Starting from the bottom, adjust the ladder to the right height for your vehicle, closing one rung at a time. It should be as vertical as possible while ensuring at least the top 4 gaps are fully locked out. This will stop the TentBox self-closing on you. Now you can roll the cover neatly out of the way using the straps like this. Then it's time to insert the porch poles. First, undo the toggles at each corner of the rainfly and fold the skirting down. Then, start with the pole nearest the door. Slot it into the base sleeve at a roughly 45-degree angle. Then, bend it up to the eyelet. On the Lite, there are 2 poles to fit at either end. On the Lite XL, there are 4. Once those are in place, climb inside the TentBox to insert the remaining poles on the other 3 sides. Once they're all in, you can tighten the buckles to keep the rainfly fabric under tension. You can then roll the porch pole bag neatly away. We recommend leaving a window slightly open when you're inside. This keeps air circulating and helps to reduce condensation. At this point, you can also install your storage web. Just clip the corners into place under the TentBox behind the ladder. In good weather, you can also switch to summer mode by removing the rainfly completely. Just undo the buckles at each corner, remove the aluminium U-poles and lift the whole piece off. If you're expecting strong winds or stormy weather, you can attach the guy ropes for additional support. Just clip them onto the corners of the TentBox and wrap them around the wheels of your vehicle, adjusting as required. Packing away is essentially the reverse of setting up, with a few extra steps. First, roll down the outer windows and zip the fly mesh. This lets air escape and gives you access to the hooks. Then, attach the 4 elastic straps, 2 at the bottom corners and 2 at the top, to hold the fabric in as you close. This isn't essential, but it does help. If it's wet, give the fabric a tap or shake to remove the bigger droplets and ideally give it time to dry out. If you do pack it away damp, just open it up to dry at your next stop or when you get home. Next, remove the poles and batten down the rainfly using the toggles. Then, fold the skirting up at each corner. To close the TentBox, start from the bottom of the ladder and close each rung by pressing the lock release buttons and pushing up. Do this until you reach the top 4 gaps. With the top 4 gaps locked out, push up from the bottom of the ladder until the TentBox folds over completely. Then, push the final lock release buttons and you can close the ladder fully. Make sure any fabric is tucked in, then secure the 2 Velcro straps on the sides. Undo the Velcro, tuck in all the fabric and make sure the beading is centered. Pull the cover over and zip it closed. This long zip pull helps you reach across the car. Finally, tighten the straps on the cover and you're ready to go. That's everything you need to know about installing and using the TentBox Lite and Lite XL. After your first trip, it's important to double check that your roof bars and TentBox are still secure. Make sure to read our TentBox user guidelines for more information on staying safe on the road. As always, if you have any questions about our products, installation, vehicle suitability or anything else, please reach out to our friendly team. We're always happy to help.